When NASA's Europa Clipper mission blasted off from Cape Canaveral in Florida in October, almost 1 million people were glued to the official live stream.
Ignition and liftoff. Liftoff for Falcon Heavy with Europa Clipper.
And tens of thousands watched elsewhere. 2 months on, with the spacecraft just 20 million kilometres into its 2.9 billion kilometre, 5.5-year journey to Jupiter's icy moon, the mission's attracting fewer eyeballs. But at the Canberra Deep Space Communication Complex at Tidbinbilla, the work has just begun.
We're going to be monitoring the spacecraft, ensuring that it's on course, that all the data is flowing back, that its instrumentation is working correctly, and setting up any commands that the mission team needs to do.
Part of NASA's Deep Space Network, Canberra takes turns with sister sites in Spain and California to manage the entire network, ensuring 24/7 communications coverage with interstellar space missions. Europa Clipper lifted off around noon US Eastern Daylight Time, 3 a.m. in Canberra. So Goldstone, California had tracking responsibility. But a small CSIRO team was hard at work too.
Quite often, whenever these spacecraft launch, it happens to be in the middle of the night for us. We call this a level 1 event, a critical point in the mission's journey. So for our station, we had to make sure we could contact that spacecraft.
We do get silence, or at least we think it's silent, and then our engineers have to get to work to try to, find the signal in the noise.
Europa Clipper's acquisition of signal was no problem, Houston.
A good, strong signal. We're able to then relay back telemetry, back to the mission control team at the Jet Propulsion Labs in California.
The focus is now on February and the first of 2 planetary flybys. That means this festive season is looking a little different.
If something breaks at 3 o'clock in the morning on Christmas Day, believe me, we'll be right here fixing it.
Hoping for peace on Earth and beyond. Emmy Groves, ABC News, Canberra.